Hi children, today we are going to learn English grammar. Today's topic for discussion is the participle. If you open your textbook, you will be having this topic, the past, or you can say the participle. There are three types of participles. Repeat after me. There are three types of participles. They are: number one, present participle. Second, past participle. Perfect participle. How many types of participles are there? There are three types of participle. Repeat after me when I am keeping my scale here. Yes, I think you have repeated. After repeating, you may be thinking what these three are. In your textbook, today we are going to learn about present participle. See, as the name itself suggests you that it is present, past and perfect participle. Okay. Past is something which is already gone. Present is which is there today. Now what we are doing, it is a present. Okay. Perfect participle which is already we are using. Okay. Fine. Then what is today's topic for discussion is present participle. What is the discussion's topic? Present participle. Okay. Present participle is often referred to as the ing form of verb. Base verb will be added to the ing form, then it will turn into what? Present participle. Like for example, base form of ing work. Okay, if I talk about only work, work is a base form of the verb. If I add ing for base form of the verb, then it is called as present participle. Okay, I am repeating once again. Read. If I add base form of the verb is read. If I add ing for read, that is reading. Then it becomes as present participle. Okay, I have given you one small example. Okay, reading, writing. Okay, write is verb. What is verb? Let me explain you what is verb. Verb is an action word. Okay, when you are adding ing to the verb or action word, then we call it as present participle. What we call it as present participle. When we add base form along with ing with the auxiliary verb, then we call it as present participle. Here, he is working. He is working. Then it will become present participle. Okay. He is going to where? School. Wherever you want, you can write down. He is going to school. He is going to college. He is going to Kerala. See, go is the base form of verb. When we add it as ing, then it is called as ing, going. Okay. Then we have added a base form of verb along with the auxiliary verb. Then it will turn into present participle. Okay. I hope all of you are following. If you are not able to follow, what you need to do is you need to repeat the video once, twice, so that it will help you a lot in order to understand better. Okay. Now take out your textbook and other stationery, copy down from the board. Page number 62. You have present participle uses. See here they have given here. Before this they have given the grammar, the participle. The participle have two forms, the present participle and the past participle, and perfect participle also you can add. Then if you add ing, then it will form to a verb and make it present participle. Okay, you can make this participle, present participle, by adding ed or en to be a verb or base verb and make it past participle. Okay, now let us see. Present participle. Use it to make a compound form of verb. Example, listen. The bird is singing again. Okay, see here. Singing is again is helping verb. Is singing again. Is singing is present participle. Okay, is singing is a present continuous form of the verb sing. It is called the compound form of the verb singing or sing. Use ing form as an adjective that comes before a noun. Example, yes, that bird is singing bird. Okay, singing adjective, bird noun. Okay, singing is adjective which is describing a bird. Because of that reason it is adjective. Use the ing form as an adjective that comes after a verb. Example, this book is interesting. Is verb interesting adverb. Adjective. Can I give you few more example of present participle? He is reading book. The smiling girl is my sister. Mary is interested in reading books. I saw them crossing the street. Don't waste time playing computer games. Don't let him catch you reading his letters. He left the room laughing. Okay, these are all present participles. Answer these questions using the present participle and say how it is used. What is the peacock doing? You need to use the sentences by using present participle. Okay, then exercise 2. You have some birds don't fly, some birds are not flying birds. Peacock dances. So some of the examples are given. Respond to given sentences. Okay, that you can see here, this sentence. The peacock dances. Some peacocks are not dancing. Okay, then some. Is that book good? Is that book good? Some books are not good for reading. Okay, like this you need to write here. Okay, up to here you can write it in your classwork, but whereas from here writing, this is your writing homework. Okay, working with your partner, supply the missing words in the passage below. So here it is a big passage. Turn your page. Page number 64. You can find this passage. This passage have missing words. What you need to do is you need to add some of the sentences, words here in order to make the complete paragraph. Okay, you need to read first and try to understand what it is all about. Okay, this you write in your homework book. Use these phrases and make a sentence. Okay, over here they have given a small phrases. You have to make your own sentences. Like for example, Mahabaleshwar. If you are game, is the place for you. Farm fresh strawberry munching. Located close to the bustling city of Mumbai, not to mention its peculiar views, and monkey watching afternoons for wonderful walks and tricks. Okay, these are all nothing but some of the phrases given in order to make your own sentences. Okay, with this, this is writing homework. This you write it in your classwork. Only this paragraph you write it in your homework book. Okay, with this I will end my session as well as this lesson which I was teaching you from last two sessions. Okay, bye guys.